Hello, everyone, and welcome to the GItaly 17.5 planning kickoff. Right now, this is the release or milestone scheduled to be released in October of 2024. This milestone, we do have a capacity note that about half of the team will be attending the Git Merge conference, which means that those team members will be contributing one less week than usual to GitLab and GItaly work. However, they will also gain the benefit of being able to collaborate in person with the rest of the broader Git community, which is very exciting and should really help us solidify some of our key initiatives in the upcoming year. So it'll be a great opportunity for us all to give back to the community and garner information from the community as well. Around objectives and themes, our primary objective, as usual, is to support our customers. There's a number of issues that we are looking into for our support team who interface directly with our customers, and we're excited to be able to help them provide the best support possible to our customers. So we're dedicating a decent amount of time toward those issues. In addition, we're dedicating some time to cross-team collaboration. One of the other teams at GitLab is looking to roll out secret push protection. And as such, they want to enable scanning of only the changed data sets. And there's a dependency on GItaly for that. So we are working in conjunction with that team to allow them not to be blocked by GItaly things and to help them where possible with Git opportunities to provide that function and that feature to our customers. Finally, we're working in a cross-functional way as well to support the documentation improvement work. This is not necessarily engineering work for this milestone, but more or less planning work where we can identify opportunities to update our documentation and provide better documentation to support our customers throughout GitLab. So that's exciting. Okay, now on to our feature work. We are looking to improve GitLab performance with regards to repositories that have a growing number of refs. We do know, and I think it's pretty common knowledge at this point, that Git scales with the number of refs. A lot of our customers who have older repositories with many, many refs, just from lots of utilization and collaboration that's been taking place in those repositories, or some larger repositories with many refs due to the large number of files, these things do tend to slow down Git over time. And in order to continue to be a leader in the Git space, we are looking to actually make whatever changes we can on the GItaly side and upstream Git to ensure that repositories with many refs do not become a performance bottleneck for our customers in delivering their results. As such, we worked to assist the Git community in finalizing ref table support in Git, and that has been rolled out. We've also added support for ref tables in GItaly. And in this milestone, we're working to roll out ref tables to staging to get even more time and debugging information from those, with the goal of eventually having full ref table support throughout GitLab. There is a blueprint for this rollout that's being actively worked. And our goals with this are to really improve the performance of large refs or repositories with large numbers of refs and make those more usable. It doesn't solve the situation for all customers, but it will help tremendously resolve some of the performance issues we've been seeing. The next thing we're looking to do is provide cloud native support for GItaly. This has been an ongoing effort. There's a large demand both internally and externally to provide this, and we recognize this need, and we're actively working to validate the solution. Our work this month involves preparing to dog food GItaly and Kubernetes on staging. So we have a solution that we want to perform our dog fooding on. We want to make sure this is working correctly before we roll out to general availability. Finally, we're working to create a proof of concept for RAF replication. The goal for this is to take over from our prefect-based GItaly cluster and provide the same level of high availability. In the meantime, we're also looking to make Git transactions functional. And the major theme right now is to get transactions rolled out to production. Once that happens, that unlocks a lot of opportunities for both our team and other teams, as well as lays the groundwork for RAF replication. For engineering priorities, the engineering team has noted and has been documenting in this epic here that there are some performance hotspots around monorepo utilization. We want to investigate those this release, and sort of set up a plan to action on some of those where possible. Again, to support our customers in the best possible way and make sure that large repositories function as well as possible within the confines of Git and GitLab as the application. As usual, if there are any questions or comments, please feel free to leave a comment on this planning issue, which I will leave linked in the YouTube description box, or feel free to leave a comment on the YouTube video. I do check those for a couple weeks after releasing these videos. Thank you so much and have a wonderful day.